Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today we're going to review the HyperTough 3-ton garage jack. If you haven't seen my video on the Torin Big Red Trolley Jack, I'll leave the link in the description at the bottom. We are also reviewing the HyperTough 3-ton jack stands. And here's the garage jack we'll be reviewing. This one is the double pump, which allows for easy lifting. Some heavy duty casters. 1 year limited warranty. Comes with a swivel saddle. We are in the shop right now. Let's open this one up. Okay. I can tell you this, these are the best jack stands I've seen. Just looking at the ratchet bar, this is very well made, heavy duty. I have my calipers on the ratchet bar. We have 1.4. Let's flip it, and a little over an inch. Once you have it at your desired height, then you take your locking pin, insert it. There you go. Now, what we all been waiting for. It's nice. Let's get this out of the box. Look at that. It's a pretty jack. The black and red pops. Here we have our swivel saddle. That's an awesome feature. The lower height on this jack is 5 1/8 of an inch. The maximum height is 18 5 16ths of an inch. Safe working load, 16,000 pounds is the max. Top side here we have a storage plate. And when you first purchase the jack, you need to release this pin here. Get yourself a nice heavy duty flathead. It was that simple to release it, but just make sure that you keep your fingers out of the way, because that is a lot of tension. As for our pipe lever handle, comes in 2 parts for easy storage. Here's another cool feature. This one does not come with a cotter pin. This one comes with a push button spring clip. You can see the clip inside and your button. And here's how you make your connections. Press in like so, and to release. It's that simple. To connect your pipe lever handle, turn this knob here. If you look on the inside, see it right there. And that'll lock in here. Right now we unscrew, insert, tighten. To raise your jack, turn clockwise, tighten it. And to lower your jack, turn counterclockwise. Also comes with some heavy duty caster wheels. Right now we're going to raise 2 types of vehicles. We're going to raise a small little Honda Civic that's very close to the floor. We are also going to raise the F-150. That is awesome. Right now we have our big boy workhorse right here. We are up in the air. There we have our 3-ton jack stands. It's awesome. Well, there you have it. That's my video for today. This product was sent out to me to do an honest review video on it, and I must say I am very happy with the quality and the performance of this jack. Jack stands, they're amazing. I love it. I love the locking feature as well. I feel safe using these jacks. Now, I want to let everyone know that this video has absolutely nothing to do on how to lift your vehicle up in the air. If you lift a vehicle up in the air, you're doing it at your own risk. I recommend that you follow the manual of the vehicle that you're about to lift up in the air, because all vehicles lift points are in different locations. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. And I'll leave you the link in the description at the bottom where you could purchase your 3-ton jack stands and your HyperTough garage jack.